People act. People act. People act.
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's hair review, I wanted to switch up my style. I typically never have updos on my channel, and I didn't want to do a high long ponytail. So I've been seeing this hairstyle go around Instagram for a while now. I really wanted to try a little Megan Thee Stallion, you know, I am Jonathan look, you know. So I decided to pick up a bob wig and do this style. I'm not going to be showing you guys how I achieved this look right here. If you guys do want that, comment down below. But in this video, I'm just going to be talking about this unit that I have on my head right now that I did style myself. It did not come like this. You know, I had to put in the work like ASAP Ferg and finesse the system to get it like this. That is what we're going to be talking about today in this video. If this is your first time seeing me, hi, I'm Jazlynn Westbrook. Click that subscribe button as well as turning on post notifications so you do not miss a post. But with all that being said, let's get into this hair review. So the unit that I have on my head right now is from Lwigs.com. So the unit that I have on my head right now is their Brazilian Virgin Straight Short Bob Hairstyle Straight Deep Pink Lace Front Human Hair Wig. Now that's a long little title, so I'm just gonna call it a pink short bob wig. This is a 150 density unit, so you're gonna get a lot of hair in this wig right here, but it is a lace front unit, so you aren't getting a full lace unit. Now I did have to finesse the system. If y'all can see right here, it's not, you know, too cute in the back because there is tracks in the back, but I did finesse the system and she's popping or whatever. The length of this unit is 14 inches. Now when you don't have it in a ponytail, it comes to like right here, which I'm not complaining too much about because I could still curl it if I wanted to, but I really wanted to achieve this style, so I went with the 14 because the inspiration videos that I seen on Instagram were kind of shorter. I think it fit the picture well, and I achieved the look that I wanted. When I received the unit, it came in a standard DHL packaging. It did come with their brand box, which I always do appreciate because that's where I store my wigs typically. Now when you open the box, you will receive your wig, obviously. Unfortunately, they didn't send me a wig cap, which I'm not complaining about, but it was something that typically doesn't happen when I order some hair because I do end up getting, you know, wig cap. They did end up sending me a little red lipstick, and it was pretty pigmented. It's kind of like a glossy sheen. It is definitely generous of a company sending something like that. The hair itself is not bad at all. I did think it was gonna come dead because it is a pre-colored wig. Lo and behold, it is still soft and it did maintain the curls. Now, whenever I get blonde hair or whenever I get, you know, colored hair, the curls don't last, and that's pretty annoying because I do have to put hairspray. But the little crimps are holding up and I'm not complaining about that. The lace did come transparent, but considering that this was a colored wig, I did experience, you know, a little bit of bleeding on the lace. So in the front, it is basically pink, like the lace is pink. It's not really transparent, but this whole wig is, you know, a pink color, so you don't really worry about, you really don't have to worry about, you know, a pink line being shown because it really doesn't show. But the lace did get a little bit stained, which, you know, I'm not too mad about, but I just cut that part off, but you could still see it a little bit. But that is typically with any wig because even with a transparent lace, it's not gonna be invisible. The cap size that I did get was a medium, which does fit me pretty well, and I'm not complaining about that. Now, I'm glad that it did not fit me too small because I wouldn't be able to achieve this look because I did need to slick everything back to put it into this little, you know, ponytail. And considering that this is a lace front unit and there is tracks in the back, I, you know, laid it as flat as I could. Now, I crimped some of the back pieces because I didn't want to, you know, cut. I did crimp the little pieces back here because I didn't want to have time to cut baby hairs into this wig for the back. Quite frankly, I'm not really tripping on the back of the wig because I'm just taking pictures in this wig and might make some cute little videos in this wig. And the back looks decent to me, but I'm not about to walk outside with the track showing. I did wish this was full lace, but I'm not complaining like I said. Considering that this wig is a lace front unit, the cap construction was perfect. I love to see colored wigs because you can see, you know, the lace have that color of whatever color the wig is. Like the inside of the cap is pink and I really do like that. I don't know, it's just something weird about me. I like having the little inside of the wig be the color of whatever, you know, wig I have on. So that was cute. The cap construction is nice. It did not come with an adjustable strap, but you do have the little clips, which I tied, and that's what makes my wig super snug, because I do use adjustable straps and I do sew them onto my wigs. But when I don't want to do that, I do just, you know, clip the little clips together, and then it stays secure on me. Now, I did have to glue this unit on, so this is definitely not a glueless lace unit. So you are going to have to, you know, finesse the system and glue it down. I did it with Got To Be. This is not with no Ghost Bond, none of that. But I do consider, if you are going to be putting it up and you want to try this style, please glue it on. The wig did come pre-plucked and pre-bleached, so you are not going to have to worry about it being too dense and bulky in the front, because I know a lot of colored wigs do look like that, like especially if you're getting a stock wig that's colored, like it just looks real bulky and the hairline looks kind of funky and junky. But I didn't experience the issue. But I didn't experience any issues like that. When you are ordering a unit on their website or ordering this unit right here, they do have customizable options like a fake scalp option, which only runs you $10 more. Now, I don't know what the fake scalp looks like, but I'm definitely gonna have to check that out and see what they're talking about. They obviously have the hair length, the hair color, the hair density, the lace color. So if you are a little bit darker and you need a darker tint of lace, they have that option as well. They have the hair parting, so if you want them to part the hair for you, I just got a free part so I can do what I want, and it is a lace front unit, so I couldn't part it all the way to the back. I'm really glad that this hair is not a pastel, like really light pink like I've had in the past. This is more of a strawberry shortcake, like a dark tint of pink type of hair, and I'm honestly feeling the color. Now for the price of this unit, you guys are gonna be shook. This is probably the cheapest wig that I've ever reviewed on my channel. But keep in mind, if you guys do want to add a customizable option like the fake scalp and all that stuff, it is going to be a few dollars extra, so just keep in mind. But for the price of this exact wig that I have on my head right now, it would be $84. Now for a pink 14-inch bob that has 150 density, that is not bad at all. You might experience a little bit of tinted lace that's pink, but keep in mind that like your whole head is pink, so it doesn't really matter that there's a little bit of bleeding on the lace. You can barely tell that there was bleeding on the lace. I think I, you know, glued it right this time. I know you guys were getting on me on the last video because I didn't glue the sides of my wig, but today she's glued. Now what do you want to do? For my final thoughts on this wig, I definitely would recommend it to anybody if you are looking for a cheap colored wig, because I know like to get your wigs custom colored, people do charge more. Now I'm not knocking the hairstylists that do put in the work like ASAP Ferg, but this is a cheaper alternative for you, and you're getting the hair instead of buying the hair and then having somebody custom color it for you and have it splotchy, because this right here is not spotchy, okay? If you guys did enjoy this video or find this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys are feeling this color, this little strawberry shortcake, or if you guys are feeling this style on me. Tell me how I did. Be honest, not too crucial, because you know I got feelings still. If you guys want to pick up the unit that I have on my head, make sure to check out lwigs.com. All the links will be down below, as well as the link to this specific wig right here. But without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed this little hair review. I love you guys with all my heart. Peace, love, and dildos. Bye guys.